In seven chapters of the human physiology, there are 31 diseases we are discussing about one by one. तो digestion of में पहला है gingivitis. Gingivitis in liver is affected in skin and eye turn yellow due to deposition of the bile pigment. Second है vomiting. Vomiting होता है, this is the injection of the stomach content and through the mouth. This is the reflex actions controlling by the vomiting center in the medulla and feeling of nausea preceding vomiting. Diarrhea, abnormal frequency of the bowel momentum and increasing in the liquidity of the fecal discharge is known as diarrhea. It is reduced absorption of the food. Constipation. In constipation, unwanted or retained within the rectum as a bowel momentum occurs irregularly. Indigestion. In this condition, food is not properly digested and leading to feeling of the feeling of fullness, causing the indigestion and inadequate enzymes, secretion, anxiety, food poisoning, overeating, and spicy foods. Breathing exchange of gas of the first disease, asthma. It is difficult to breathing, catching the wheezing and due to inflammation of the bronchi and bronchioles. Emphysema is a chronic disorder which is the alveoli valves are damaged due to with the respiratory surface is decreasing. One of the major cases of the cigarette smoking. Occupation of the respiratory disorder is a critical industrial and especially those involving in the breathing or stone breaking. So much dust is produced that is the defense mechanism of the body cannot be cope with the situation. Long exposures can rise in inflammation leading to the fibrosis and proliferations of the fibrosis tissue, thus causing seriously lungs damage and worker research industry wear protective of the mask. High blood pressure या hypertension is the term for the blood pressure that is higher than the normal 120/80. In this measurement 120 mmHg millimeter of the mercury pressure is the systolic and or pumping pressure. 80 mmHg is the diastolic resting pressures. If the repeating check the blood pressures and individual is 140/90 higher it is so hypertension, high blood pressure leading to the heart disease and also affected the vital organ like the brain and kidney.